Welcome back to Angular tutorial, and in this video you are going to learn about edit section. So we have already covered add and then delete and then edit, and this time we will work on the last section here, the update section. So let's rename it to update. Okay, alright. So now when we click on this button, this one, then it should update into the database. So what we'll have to do, let's create a function called update here. Rather than on submit, here will be on update, and then here let's create a function here on update. So outside of this function it will be here. Okay, so here will be on update, and then here, so here will be user and then user capital. So we need to define here somewhere user, and we have to call here user also. Import user from so not from web, actually from model, and then user. Okay, so error is gone now. So rjx currently from, okay, we don't need this actually. Import from, alright, now it's fine. Okay, so then let's console it, console.log, and then check here add from dot user dot value. So this dot add from, actually this dot add from. Okay, this user dot value. So simply let's do one thing, let's delete this one, and then user from here also only will be add from dot value. Okay, add from dot value. So that's fine, and now let's try to edit it. So that is field, and then let's console it here. So when we click it, what happened? Yeah, so when we click it, then you can see the data is passing here, isn't it? ID, username, password, and so all these things are passing. So far that means it's working fine. Now here we need to call update function. Okay, so in case of update we need to pass two things. So here let's paste this code. We will change it. Our service name is API service, so let's change it, and we will create this function inside. Okay, so after updating, it should go to this view file. Okay, so now let's go to our service file here and create a function here. Oh, sorry. So here we will pass then user and then capital user. And inside here it will be post this one. So here it will be update. Alright, so now let's try it. And we need to create this file as well. So let's go to this folder, and we need to copy from here, which I've already created, to this update file. And then, so in our case, this one is here. No, not this one. Actually, with the different version, I keep creating these things. So login register. Okay. So update. So now let's open it. Okay, so as you can see, this file and insert file, there is no much difference. Alright, so we are from this file get contents, we are getting the JSON format data, and here it is JSON format, and now here we are decoding JSON into array. Now we are fetching ID from here. So this one is ID. So rather than getting ID, we can get from here request, similarly request ID, because we are not passing it through ID. That's why. So ID, and then here it will be first name, and here also first name, last name, here also last name, but before that there is username, right? Username. Okay, username, then first name, last name, and then there is age, and then salary. Right, and here our table name is register course. So F name, first we need to change your username, right? So here will be so this one will be username, then username, first name, then this first name, first name. This one is the field of database, that's why I'm providing here underscore, okay, because in our table name, the database name, the field name is first name underscore, that's why we are writing here like this. So first name, similarly here will be last name, and this one last name, and then age will be here, and then this age, and then salary, right, and ultimately here will be ID, not SID. So let's try now and see what happens. Let's go to network and then click here, click on update. So now it is coming here, but let's check if it really got updated. But so let's go to here and first comment this here so that we can see what's the problem. So in the view section there is some problem in last name, that's why here you can see the value got vanished from here. So let's click here once again. So username, first name, last name got missed here, Rajesh Kumar, and somehow the data is going wrong. Okay, so if I click here, then what happened, let's check here. So in response it is displaying nothing, alright. So but here it's displaying 204, that means it is not 200, so there is something wrong. So let's check here. Let's print it, this echo, and then let's try again. So response is coming nothing, 204, so something is wrong here. So let's do one thing. Okay, 204, this one, there is error. Yeah, so here we can check the error. Undefined variable last names. Okay, so it is name, not names, right? Somewhere I made a mistake here. It will be last name. So now let's try again by changing it. Say first name, I'm trying first, Rakesh. I'm changing it to Rakesh, okay, and then try to update it now, and then you press it, and then update. So this time I have to see here. So it looks like it's updating now. First name I have written here, Rakesh. So there is still some error, I think. Yeah, so once again, continue to case and then tomorrow. Now click on update and then we'll check it. Simply copy this and then paste here, make a straw. Now try to click on this row. Your row active ID 12. Update register, table image register, set username, is first name, is last name, command is 23, and the salary, where I am, and that enter. So that's one. Activity is 12, ID is 12. Update register. Okay, it's not working because let me check again. I think it's working. Let's try this way. Okay, so let's remove this one, this printer, because all looks fine. And then also here this one, so that it will redirect. Now we have got change here. So username please, and then face double H and Kumar double R is 24 and then 7 9 double 9 lost. So you can see case double H double R 24 and double 9. So that's it. It's updating that. So you can see. So in view section, we like to provide a button from where one can add, right? So let's go to view section. View. This one is view, right? Let's create one more TR. And then here, and then TD, TR, this TR. TD, and then G2. So here add user. Okay. A router link that we can provide. A router link equals to a router link. Then here add, right? Then a closure. And NVSP for spacing. Now let's see. Add user. Alright. So here will be class, bootstrap class, btn success, btn lg. There is something wrong. Class btn succ success. Yes. So here you can see that button. If you click here, then it redirects me to add user. For example, two, three, four, five. Age. Let's try to add it, and it's working fine. And here I can see that now if I want to edit it, then I can also edit from here. So say I make it 20, then update. This updation is also working, and apart from that, if I want to delete this, then click delete and it is deleted. So that's it in this CRUD operation section. So after this we will work on login section. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.